What's up, you guys? This is Kira over here, and welcome back to another Trains World 2 video. Not a Trains World 6 or 5. This is a Trains World 2 video. We're going to be driving in the Harlem today, and the reason why we are playing Trains World 2 is because Trains World 6 and 5 is like ridiculous right now. Like, it is ridiculous. The blurry textures and the lagginess, especially when it comes to Anka Remaster out, it is just, oh my god, it is horrible right now. So, and it's like the reason why I'm playing Trains World 2 is because I haven't been really seeing that much lagginess or that much blurry textureness in this game, in the routes in this game. So yeah, that's kind of the reason why we're going to be playing Trains World 2. Yeah, but don't worry, I'm gonna be back to doing regular uploads, and I think maybe for just this week we might be doing Trains World 2 videos. Okay, yeah, yeah. All right, but anyway, so we're going to be driving in the Harlem today, like I said, and yeah, I want to talk about some stuff too. Yeah, about the whole freaking music videos things, and plus, and y'all, I'm gonna slow down on me just uploading music videos because I know you guys are getting really sick of them, and I know I'm kind of am too, but it's like when I'm busy, especially when I'm making episodes for the Shyamalan Adventures, which I am gonna be talking about later. It's that I have to kind of upload stuff like that because yeah. That's kind of the reason why I care. Anyway, let's go to Explorer. Okay. Alright, timetable, yes. I haven't played this game in a while. It's been a while since we played this game. We want to drive the M7A. Let's drive the, yes, the M7A. I mean the M7A, not the F7A. What the heck I'm talking about? Okay, anyway. Let's go to... okay. I don't know something to choose. Okay, Northlight. Wait, what's this? Where are we stopping at? It won't let me move the thing for some reason. No, whatever. Okay, let's just go from North White Plains to GCT. What is that? Oh, that's probably the Races Terminal. I think, I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but don't worry. I'm uploading regular videos. I'm still uploading videos every day. And yes, you guys get 2 videos a day. I mean, well, it's like on the. If you guys have been keeping up with my second channel, then you guys will probably know what I mean by 2 videos a day. If you guys been keeping up with my second channel, then you guys already know what I'm talking about. But I didn't upload any shorts on it though because I was focusing on this episode, and also the episode I'll be working on will be uploaded tomorrow. It's another short episode, and it is terrible. That's all I'm gonna say. It is terrible. I've been trying my best. Dave is in it too, so it's kind of like a test too. It's kind of like a test, because I'm bringing in Dave, and oh my god, Dave, he's just a regular AI voice. Okay, so his voice gonna sound a little bit weird, and yes, and the freaking in the video. You know, I'm not gonna say anything. You guys will find out what you guys watch it tomorrow. It is just ridiculous. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta get the thing in. Alright. Reverse answer forward. So, I mean, look at this. See how the word textures are not like getting worse like as it was for Trains World 5 and 2. I mean, for Trains World 5 and 6, I mean, not 2. Yeah, you guys see what I mean by this. Yeah, it's fine now, apparently. Okay, I think we have a yellow signal. Unless there's a train in our way. No, there is not. I am on the wrong side of the track. I'll be going on track 2. Anyway, whatever. Let's go ahead and move in. Oh, I gotta charge the brakes up. Oh my god. I haven't driven this around in a long time, and I'm already running late. Oh, goodness gracious. No! My max brake. Where's the... here it is. Right here. I forgot. Jesus Christ. There we go. Alright. Oh god, God. Let me try to speed over. I did not mean to do this. Okay. Hopefully the lag in this won't be bad as last time. Hopefully it won't. And it better not be. So my best Trains to World games, like my favorite Trains to World games, you guys might already know this, is Trains to World 3. Trains to World 3 is my favorite game. Yes, Trains to World 3 is my first favorite game. Yes, it is. Trains to World 5 is my second favorite. Trains to World 2 is my third favorite. Actually no, Trains to World 4 is my fourth favorite. Trains to World 2 is my third favorite, and Trains to World 6 is last place. No. Oh my god, I can't speak. So yes, Trains to World 6 is last place. It's just Trains to World 6 is not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. It's not worth it. Like there's no point in making a whole nother game. There's barely anything new. Oh my god. I don't understand them. I don't understand Delta games. And now it's like, we got a Towns of Friends game coming up. Like, I don't know how many train games you're gonna keep making. It's ridiculous. We got a Towns of Friends game coming soon. Metro Rivals. Like, oh my god, this... I don't understand them. I don't. Like, oh my goodness. And basically, in my own opinion, I think the Towns of Friends one is the sort of game. It's basically like Trains to World 7. It's technically Trains to World 7. It's technically Trains to World 7. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say anything else but that. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say anything else. Oh my god, I am going really slow. That's because my speed limit is... it's either 10 or... what's that, 15? I don't know. Oh my god, this is slow. Since I have a red singer for some reason. Unless there's a train in my way. I don't know. We got both doors open? Oh wow, I can really see it. Oh, crap. I do want this route to get a remaster though. Like, so bad. And this isn't a remaster. I think I said lots of times in my videos. I believe I have. And that's the one. Unfortunately, there's no plans on me making any other liveries yet. There's no plans. I mean, well, at least not for another week. Yeah, no plans just yet, but there will be more coming. I'm still working on the Audition Sim 1983. Or should I call it the 90s pack? The Audition 90s pack. Yeah. So I'm still working on that. There's no other liveries. No plans for any others just yet. There will be more. I'm still trying to like think of an idea of what that should be. Then if I do, then I'll definitely be making a video of it. Can I touch tracks? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh yeah, and if you guys can tell from the Mark livery pack, the scenes I did record the scenes in this route, the Harlem line. In case you guys were wondering. Oh, I thought I had to see this system on for a second. White Plains, track 2, which is 8 miles. Or 0.8 miles, I don't know how you want to say it. I don't have that little distant thing on there either. Because, well, this is Traceable too, and that feature wasn't really added until, what was it, Traceable 4, I think? I think so. And also, when the Channel 11 Adventure video or episode comes out tomorrow, I just want to let you guys know, just be prepared because it's gonna sound absolutely horrible. That's all I'm gonna say, because, oh my god, I tried so hard to like get everything perfect. It's not like, how do I explain this? It's not as perfect as it was like with the Nintendo video, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's not perfect like that, but it's like, it's there, I guess you could say. And it's like, you guys do not understand how much pain and suffering I have to go through when I'm like, when I was creating the things and all that. Like I had to, no, actually, what I had to do was I had to make the generation videos, take their voices out, put it in that, put it in the thing, and then like I had to keep doing it over and over again, and then oh my god, it was absolutely just horrendous. So that's kind of like the reason why I haven't been uploading any shorts, and that's the reason why I just been uploading those music videos, the Trains World 3 music videos, because I've been busy with that. I'm gonna check something real quick, making sure that everything is what it needs to be. Thing that lagging and all that, I think it's fine. Let me raise these brakes a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. Wait, do I got the headlights? Okay, I do. I'm just making sure I got the headlights on. I'm not even speeding. I'm going like 1 mile per hour over the speed limit. Goodness gracious. These streets are so sensitive. Goodness gracious. Alright. Max power, baby. Let's go. Heart cell track 2. Okay, the thing's lagging. It's not like lagging. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it wasn't lagging as bad as before. It should be fine. Alright, we are just approaching heart cell. Let's probably slow down. Excellent. I was thinking I went to 1309. Okay, how am I gonna switch from 1308 to 1309? Like, whatever. I could explore a little bit if I have enough time. I haven't really got to Donut in a while. I like the station though. It's a hard show, right? Yep, this is. Oh, it's Hartsdale. I thought it said Hartshell. Like I thought the D was the H. I wasn't. Oh my god. Ah, it says it's Hartsdale, not Hartshell. Oh my god. I don't want to go through here. Excuse me. Oh my god, it's packed. Track 1. Isn't that track 1? No, that might be track 2, I don't know. Alright, let's go ahead and get back to our train. Alright, man. I don't know why this thing turns so slow. I don't know why. Okay. Our speed limit is 60 miles per hour. Which I think it already was. late? I'm trying to think I'm late. Oh crap! I didn't mean to put in an emergency. Ah, jeez. Goodness gracious. I did not mean to do that. There's another train? Oh, it's another M7A. I meant to do two. I meant to do two blasts, not a long blast. The game lagged, and the second I clicked it, it freaking just did that. I meant to do this, but instead I did this. Because the game lagged. Huh. I wonder if I'm in a busy time zone. Probably. Oh no! If I forget to open up the wrong doors, alright. What they say? Crestwood, track 4, and 2.2 miles. Oh, I think I know where that's at. I believe. And I did not mean to apply that much power. I kind of want to see this is as well for some reason. Yeah, maybe later. Oh, I guess some more orders. That's cool. Just playing with the horn. If you guys don't mind. Oh crap! I did not mean to do that. No. Ah! Wait, I'll just make it, please. I would have to close it back. Trucker hole. Wait, what? Trucker hole station. Oh my god. Trucker hole Clark. Oh my god. Trucker hole Clark. Track 2. Oh my god, I can't speak. What? Am I pronouncing that right? Oh, it's Tuckahoe. Wait. Why it sounds so weird? Oh crap. Oh goodness gracious. Nice break. No. No, I keep putting this thing in an emergency. Oh, for goodness sakes. If I do that one more time, I swear. The thing is so freaking sensitive. I was trying to put the thing in max brake, but then like it somehow just automatically just it forced me an emergency. Goodness gracious. Let me explore this station real quick. Tuckahoe. Oh my god, that sounds so weird. Oh my god. It says it's a station name. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Excuse me, please. If I explore this. Garbage bins. Or recycling bins. Or recycling. I don't know how you want it. Recycling trash? I don't know how you say it. I could definitely send a seat. Can I? What? How can I not sit in the seat? Is that not a thing? How can I not sit in the seat? Oh my god, whatever. Let's go back to our train. How can I not sit in the seat? Is that not a thing in Trains World 2? How can I just not sit in the seat? That's kind of weird. Unless that's a bug. It's probably not a bug. It could be. Bronxville. I like that name. Try 4. Max break, max break. Do not put me into emergency. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Might be late today. I don't know. Fleetwood. Track 4. Well, that was good. That was good. Alright. I think that's gonna do it for this video. But if you guys did enjoy this video a lot, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications on. Subscribe to the Tim Love Adventures. And yeah, so that's exactly why I haven't been uploading any like train videos, I guess you could say, in a while. Well, except with the Train 3 mini musics. That's like exactly the reason why, because I was working on the episode which is coming out tomorrow. Is I'm gonna say this one more time. It is terrible. That's all I'm gonna say. But I'm still uploading now. Because I'm not gonna just create that whole video just for nothing. So yeah, but don't worry. There's going to be more coming soon. And also, I think I'm gonna take a break from making assignment videos for a while. I think I'm gonna take a break because it is so hard for me to like get the perfect pitch for Simon's voice. It's like, oh my god, you guys don't understand how hard it is. So I think I'm just kind of like take a break from the Simon uploads for a while. But yeah, so starting tomorrow, I'm gonna start uploading 2 videos a day. That is a promise, okay? And also, I'm gonna slow down on the transfer roll music videos because I kind of getting sick of them. And also the Talent 2. I mean, no, I'm sorry, no. The Never Secret Clone to Icon Remaster Part 2 video will be out in a few days. So yeah, that's basically about it. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wait. Let me make sure I'm not. Oh yeah, and also there's gonna be more deliveries coming soon. There's no plans for it yet though, but there's gonna be more coming soon. Okay, but anyway, that's it. Bye.